It's a holiday. Yeah, 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 yeah. Summer day. What is it? Summertime. Barbecue fever. Fire catch and bear things. I decided that it's not gonna be just blood related family experience for the community. Yes, it's family. Think Jamaica. Promoting brand Jamaica. Over here we have our rice ball. Everything is getting ready on the fire. Barbecue time.
どれか持ってくるんやったらあれやし、そっちの食べてもいいし。
Let's go into I'm doing a short video. Is that's chicken, sausages, beef, and some vegetables. I can't wait. Oh, it's gonna be delicious. Get my food. Many sausages.
あとこのかぼちゃがもう入れてあるやつなんで。
Are you ready to dig in? I love food. Don't are you love food, right? It's loud. It's a loud bike. Is that ice cream van?
Ice cream?
Mm-hmm.
Which one?
That sound.
No, the motorbike. Motorbike.
No,
Oh,
just
this sound.
Mm-hmm.
No. This is a silent for to let us know about the 6 o'clock.
Oh, I thought, because I hear it every Sunday at 6.
Not
So-
only the Sunday, I think.
Not only,
weekend too.
oh, so I thought it's for ice cream. Because in Jamaica we have like vans, yeah, and they sound like that, especially on Sundays, and then we run out with our money to buy ice cream.
Let's try. We got something that we have to. ジャマイカでアイスクリームを売ってるトラックが来ると、こういう音楽が流れる。だから結構近く
It's like a tradition.
皆さんが来たと思う。
Ice cream on Sundays. Mm-hmm.
They really love the ice cream, right?
伊藤さんもこれ食べてください。
Yeah. I'm full now.
Full?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You guys did a great job.
もうケイにも結
You want that frozen yogurt?
Yes.
Now, okay.
So we just about finished
なるほど。あ、ちょっと
packing up, getting rid of the fire.
はい。
This man fed me. I'm so full. And they don't want me to help clean up. Such good hosts, huh?
ママちゃん1個は。
Mama Chan looks afraid.
Why?
Ah, she's afraid. She's scared of it.
じゃあママと一緒にやり。ママと。
She's scared. She said, "Quiet."
ケイリーもケイリーも。
Yes, my turn. I'm gonna get mine.
あんで。ああね、あっちの方が煙がいいかも。おーい。
Yeah.
ファイヤー。
Summertime in Japan.
長いやろ。オープン。
15 different colors.
すごいやんでももうちょっとでも
Stuck at Juice. How many is that?
Yeah, 15.
Ah. Whoa. Nice one. Nice one. Okay, so this is the traditional, small and quiet.
持っといて持っといて
I can hardly see the fireworks.
諦める
Ah, it's
あいいめちゃくちゃいいやん
nice.
あ、でもこれ多分別でつけた方がいいと思う。邪魔してる。
Finished.
Finish.
Oh, that was quick. Thank you, Tish.
あ、来た。
はい最後誰かラストマンよしじゃあケイスケ君そのまま
Ours is long. Yeah,
長い。
long time. Mine finished so quickly.
ケイジは早く終わった。クイック。ケイジはあかんかな。Japanese has kept so long time this traditional Senko Hanabi. It's a very good point. It's about very short time, but in it, it's really it's very short time, but it's really nice. It means hakana. It's sometimes gone suddenly, but it's so. Because of it's very short time, so it's really important and it's very beautiful.
It's a cherishable moment.
Yes, that's right.
So interesting. So this is all the remain of what we did. And of course R had to do something special. Oh my god, so R one of the experiences. Weird. My friend R, that's my friend R. Oh, you just smoke.
めっちゃいいと思う
How is Jamaican fireworks?
先方花火や
Do
ね
they have like this fireworks?
Yeah, we have like
そうやでこれ先方
a
花
little
火
bit different.
あ一本
But and we also have like firecrackers, the ones that make loud sound. They have that in the
Maybe sometimes we can find it, but this one is more popular.
I need to get one of these books so I can learn Japanese. Man, so you can touch here for the Japanese version and here for English. Technology. There you go. What's that? Oh, tadpole. Tadpole.
You can't too nasty, man. You can go down more. Everybody's all going on WhatsApp, right? Alright. Make it see right this Man say, no, give him up. Let him go, a boy pick me. Let him go, Mishka, and go on about your business. Let him go. Let him go. Swim, Jabari. swim.
Wano.
Why now, Jabari? You're boss.
Ready now.
Yeah, ready now. Boss, such a boss. You don't know what I was, you know. So everybody gets me. Watching belly. Jabari, my job. Jump. See there?
Nah, don't problem, so you want.
Alright, go closer to him, Aunt. Go closer to him. Jump! Pass! Pass!
I enjoyed. So there you have it, my people. Japanese summer versus Jamaican summer. Which one do you prefer? I like both. I still can have the best of both worlds, just with different people. It's just a matter of boom bang, I'm out. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? No, not boom bang, I'm out yet. I need to do this. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? If you are a new subscriber, please hit that bell so you can see whenever I post. If you are not new, thank you for coming back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Boom bang, I'm out.